So I guess wardrobe in there. As you can see, wardrobe to load way. Yatozotengwa nemwe munabva kuroko fisanti. Wardrobe to end there. So you guys maona kuti zvikwenda kuZimbabwe kwangu zvitori serious. Muzoonaka, I'm not playing and I'm deadly serious about it. And I'm happy. It's don't know mixed emotions actually. I don't know. You guys asina kumboresa. Makhwera sei. Muwida sei kwa muri matiyo nenyika. If it's obvious maybe please like, comment, subscribe to channel for more local understanding. Kuna asikuziya zvikitika. Mashboita baziro. Kuna asikuziya zvikitika inyaya komana aripana. Afunga kuti relocation. Afunga kuti relocate. From Cape Town to Zimbabwe. As you can see, I'm doing some preparations here. And yeah, izindo hembe dzimwe dzandiri kupeka dzandinoda kuenda nadzo dzandira kuzogoera. Dzandira kuenda nadzo doma wanwanzakisa kuno kuko shoma dzacho dzimwe dzida kuwachwa idzi. Idzidzi ndiwo bhutsu dzimwe dzandira kuwacha dzandinoda kuenda nadzo dzandira kugoera zvakare. So you guys, if it's okay, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel for more info and understand. So what's gonna be happening in this vlog? It's like doing preparations to go to Zim, and I'm gonna meet maybe I will show you guys, but I'm gonna close his or her face. His face definitely because what I won't show you, in fact, it will look like as if I'm doing this for content, but I'm just doing it wholeheartedly because I'm carrying only this monarch to Zimbabwe, and it's not gonna be enough to fit everything that is here. You understand? There's no need to talk about to Zimbabwe. For what? You understand? In the name of Mulaya Karimiro, go from West South someone in the room or the Yakawana Moon, Chawasara get up a bed only your stuff. You understand? My blanket. So I guess what's gonna be happening today is like a simple prep preparation. Maybe that's what I was watching, but I'm not sure what I'm saying. And I'm sure today I'm gonna visit my friends or never gonna pass through Mbana Kimetanaka just to say bye bye and see my niece for the last time, Timaya. And maybe I'm gonna link up with this so Dexter and friends. I'm not sure, but yeah, spend the day with me and see what's gonna be happening in this vlog. And don't forget to subscribe, man. I love you guys. Let me put my clothes and do what I'm doing here. I will show you. So when I'm there, but so far the update is wardrobe yatoenda and yeah, mari dzacho idzi. Let me show you. Yeah, I'll torongedza rabo nacho. If you want the curtain, it's new also, hit my DM. If you want the curtain, ndakaritenga muzimo irinyowani zvakare. So yeah, let's get it. So guys, it's roughly 12 o'clock right now, and now I wanna go to work. Those who know I was doing Uber, and I no longer had to have a car myself. So yeah, I'm not in Zimbabwe, so everything is cleared. Cheers, cheap parties in that thing is you understand? So yeah, luckily I managed to rent a car so that Sagari Mazoma Showman and yeah. So what's happening now is like the motor engine area to Fambanayo. It's outside there. It's an old car, Toyota 8 and yeah. It's also where hustlers, bro. I selected cheaper ground to Shana Ripo. Do you understand? Oh, I'm going to downhill. To Shana Ripo, and I was renting the car. I've been renting the car for about 3 days now. So let me go into work. And now it's around 12 and 2. And but before I start working, I have to go and eat first. So yeah, let's go and grab some pizza nyana. You understand? Life of bachelors. It's a big. If you're watching this, I wanna make you. You understand? So yo, what's all this? Sharp. So you guys, I said if you're watching this, Ndragurora, Kanok cards was yeah. Nexada Obika. Is it not Tinga Chikaf Maxana? Which more than for manager? So yeah. toshanda nezviripo manuary baba tovhurwa manuary. Look how dirty it is, bruh. I took this car, I think Marungazuru. Look how dirty it is, bruh. But I still toshanda nezvibackground zviripo kuzimba kwedu ndo zviriko. So I guess when I'm a takeaway, I don't go rasa panapa ndiri muzimba. Ngede usalobika. Man everywhere. Nemungori ma takeaways. So yeah guys, let's go and grab some pizza and then we start working. Do you understand me? Yo, everywhere bounce rama takeaways, my drink, my tissue zveku. Anozi matissue kana anozi maserviette. Anozi machi matissue ekundandos rekupedros. So you guys, let's go and grab some food and then we start working. I'm feeling hungry but andina appetite. Avendoti zviri nomawiri ndine nzara but andina appetite. Usha appetite mazuva ano. Asi tombonzwa kana uda kudya kana chinhu but ndine nzara. That's crazy, right? So you guys, unfortunately this car, these two windows, they don't open. And it's stressing me out because I'm using aircon every day. And now the disadvantage of aircon now is yakundorwadza maziso. Amene ndine kandorwadza masoni aircon. Maso angu akutorwadza nangu ebatidza chete maso angu anga kutangotorwadza zvotodaro chezvo like torwadza. I remember I once carried mumwe munhu akandizonzo nomboroka udzime aircon because ikudikwadza maziso and I was like, what is this person saying? I always work with aircon mukubasa kwangu. So yakundorwadza maziso. Ndakuzvinzwisisa nawo man kuti zvinotoitika. So guys, I'm not sure say, but luckily I think I'm gonna use this car for today and tomorrow only, and then I will return it. I'm not sure. But yeah guys, stay tuned. So long, let me go and eat. People just not my tickets out of Mari. Because the other thing is like maybe they're gonna go fly, but in terms of fly, just also hey, it's my get to sit like a mirror. But that's not my say. But they don't fly, they're gonna fly. But the main reason in terms of fly, they was also my passport. I'm gonna overstay. Any overstay, you over 2023, April 2023, up to now. So I have to use a bus. So I don't know kuita ndege kwenda kusvika kunozwi kusvika kuJoburg, and then I will continue nebus from Joburg. But man, now that crisis pakuzonzo ndinowana bhazi rinosvikirana nendege yangu yekuti ndege yasvika nhasi kana yasvika kana 10, and then ndinowana bhazi rinosumuka musi kana kuma around 11 or 12 or unoenda kufara kuzogara paairport for so long, or unoenda kufara kuzotsvaga kwekubhuka futi ndirare, or unoenda kufara kuzonorara kumba kwevanhu ndozvanendisikuda. Do you understand? But handichamboona ndoita sei, I will calculate the costs and see what I can do. You understand? So that it's not save off from cost also. Do you understand me? So yeah, let me see what I can do. Now let me go. As you can see, I'm here at Debonair's Pizzas, and yeah, let's get some pizza, and then yeah, thank you. So yeah guys, I ended up getting energy and steers. Ndapinda Debonair's Pizzas, and then smell actually pizza and new year. Kusukudada vanochikazi. Mambo na pari kubhekwa. Smell ndashotwa. I mean ndane problem kuruza appetite ndikuzwa kushotwa kwekwe. So ndashotwa appetite yangu yaenda. Like amenochichitike momo, amenochicha nyaso. Ha! Amenochichi kanochi, amenochicha nchitike momo ndakenda bananzwa kushotwa. Saba next part yana steers. Dzangu kandrana ne glass it. I steers iri moment. Table nesi panape. No, pani axis kupinda but this is the two. So I ended up getting this. I'm going to pay it. Comes with the bigger fries. Then I think I need drink. My fries are going to stairs if I don't need I got my salsa so. This is double in green road. Ndakarangwa McDonald's. McDonald's it was apo pane robot ro. Ndakarangwa McDonald's musono ndakapowa bigger avo rine zvimasinzi zvedrinks zvezvo. In zvaismell unge Colgate. I think ndoba katanga tsika yangu yekunuza appetite panda. Kubva ipapo ndonyazombodya zvakanaka. I think ndizvo ndangodya Pedro's. Andonyazombodya zvakanaka kubva ipapo. So guys, let me chow the food and stay tuned for more and more. You understand? Let's go, let's get into it. Tange tambori vheneka toni. Izvi madomasi ndezvewe. Izvi zvimasinzi zvegreen ndozvandikuramba izvi. Ndozva ndikuti handizvide zvacho nezvozvo. Zviiko izvozvo? Ndozva ndiri kuramba izvozvo. Kana zvada izvo chete bho. Zvii izvozvo? Nayo dai vachitivhunza kuti tinozvida. I think Steers is the best burger company in the world. Good afternoon, guys. So it's in the afternoon now, and as you can see, this is my last day of driving. I'm in Stellenbosch, guys, in the farms, wine farms there. That's where I'm right now, and I'm going direction Yakumba, you understand? And yeah, unfortunately I just sangana siso. If I don't mix ana siso, sangata put on my ayana. I will see though with the WhatsApp morning late, and then don't know what extra. And to buy a copy. You understand? So yeah, make sure I stay tuned and you watch the video to the end, man. And don't forget to wait for the big vlog coming soon. So yeah, guys, now I'm out here in Bellevue, and I just realized and it's gonna be very hard and painful for me with the CSR zero. So I think I should just go and chow that pub one last time. Let's hope if you're in Bellevue, wait man, this is not a paid advert, but if you're in Bellevue, make sure you come here at number 11 Robert Sobukwe. Pakadongepana pasulobani pacho. Padongotongepa china bata panobikwa mtakuna ngisadze pano. Ndopanolodra mabhazi kwa Mnenzwa ipapa. Bana chiground ichi. You understand? Load tumwa na praise. Unopoa discount. You show them this video. You understand? So yeah, let's go and grab some pap, and then I'll show you Sazarachana and that tour. You understand? So let's get it. Hey guys, that's the pub that I was talking about. Look at how beautiful. Is it beautiful or something? It's looking delicious, right? So listen to that zangu, not the mix yes. Ningene chicken nene. Today I was feeling like eating as well. I don't because I'm really dry. So yeah. Regandishige, do continue basa. And you see good just vambaze. Stay tuned. Channel sangani muno yatunopa imbo yawe. Later on, and maybe we might go on a channel. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Nakunge mukadzongo. Awaroti. Ndasangana na Ziso. Ziso arumboba out memory yake.
Wagwan people.
Pane kunhu wanoda tizoenda kunonzi kuchipa mana ndosangana ku munonzi muraita fak next Grand West. Inonzi raita fak raita wachi. Pamna ngada hembe nene sara ndotizondiperekedza later. But I still yeah, amboenda panze outside
nemhuri
waizi saka ndachenda nekwatanaka pamwe tanaka tazomuona pamwe musunshine
tanaka ndasari busy
ari busy awo ndazorimember saka mana mazvinzwira saka inozayo apo ndadzoka padeni apa ndo pandaigara apa ndiya motera apa swegeza ndakutora hembe dziya ndapromisa vanhu vekukuya nhasi ndinozokwanisa se kubatikane time. So let's hope kuti ndikwanisa kuzvibata time nhasi and go there, understand? So yeah, panambo pandechikora panapa ndozombogara ndakupa house tour but yeah muno migaraji remukati and lift. You understand? They just mopped here. So you guys stay tuned. Let me take the clothes and I'll show you I think I'm just gonna give them the washing basket ratio, and then they do what they're gonna do best there. You understand? So yeah, stay tuned. Look how scarred my room. Look how scarred my room is looking. What we can get on up in there. Let me just see if I can quickly pick so that I'm washing basket here. And yeah, let's go. Let's get it. So guys, as you can see here, this is a nice Air Force. Nice Air Force. Go pitana don't esazvipfeka zvinhu izvozvo. I mean, go pitana just because this is a nice gym shoe giving out. This boots in the 2-3 times yet. Gym and it's still new, as you can see. Still new. Go to China yet. I'm sure I know what you. And then zooming 1-2 pairs now, 3 pairs of kicks now. Martinez nobody on my figures with that. As you can go for car. As you can see, go to China. I don't know if watch this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of kicks. 4 pairs of kicks. And then Chichingo. And then cape. And my crooks. Let me look for Russian pasta. Guys, I'm gonna go to and then here clothes. So my t-shirts, trousers, camouflage, trousers, black trousers, jeans, jacket. I'm on my t-shirts footer. Let me carry the stuff and put here. So guys, those instructions. Those are Sarah Pane, those are China Sarah. But those are China Sarah Boyera. Those are Sarah. Let me check if my machine is in. I am on to do a go. And I try to go and I don't mind this out. Because she last thing when I was working at a car wash in Joburg. Kutanga chide. No man, didn't go to see her. Because I still remember the number she cases the motor. So it won't be nice giving someone and this should be enough. Yeah, I think that's all. So this is the Sarana's guys. I'm sure you guys are wondering. Look guys, look, let me show you. One, okay, one. This is a really expensive Jordans one. Still new and I think about birthday pang. One pair. 2 original Air Force. Make sure you hit me up and I'll plug you. Still new also. 3 Jordans 4 black. Those I'm not spider. I don't know the shit. I mean, but they're black. Also still new. 5 is that veka ka wanted it. Vanoziva musoro kambaya kuma intro nekanga baby kwankeka yapapaya. Azvinozoshanda hazvo, but that's veka ka wanted. As you can see, still new here. You can see yatsika ka wanted utotsika pa utotsika idhaga rekwara katsika kwatakaendeko. Still new. Veka ka wanted it. 4 pairs. These ones. I wish the number of them push and because I'm not gonna kill them also. As you can see my slides are now. That's still nice and new also. But man, it's cigarette and it's okay. There are something about it also. And what else? Heater. I think heater. I'm just gonna ask my friends if Panapana are interested now. And then what one? Iron. I think iron shaitakura kana yakwana. don't know. Because ndikumbogaya kuti dawe nendege, so zvinhu zvakaremesesa manje luggage zvose nobhadhariswa. So I think that's all that I need here to carry, in fact. So look at my expensive laptop. I don't want it to be broken or so. Yeah guys, this also I think this portrait you might need it. I think you might need this. Do you think I'm ready? Ratadza kufita ito mnyama, but it's one of my favorite portraits. Do you understand? And yeah, that's all. So yeah, let's go with this stuff. Washing basket. So yeah guys, I'll catch you yeah, stay tuned. Guys, those shoma zvakakwanisa kuzopawo munhu uyu. Look at the view. Wow, look at how nice this view is. Wow, ndopana panapa guys. So I want to open up a chance out. There's a nice view. There's a good because my super identifier. Yeah, guys, this is the washing basket. Look how dirty this car is inside, guys. Kana muti kunhongo. Kana muti kunhongo idaro man. Ish. But zvezvo manje zvichasvika zvarara kudai so. But anyways. Guys, so let's go now and see what tinosvika. But anyways, do win. Do that kana name shop right. Pane marada connect and I'll collect and then I'll connect the journeys. So yeah, let's get into it. Thank you. So yeah guys, now I'm on my way. Look at how nice this view is, guys. Yo, deep down to Kurwadziwa, Kusia Cape Town. Can you believe now it's around 8 and it's still clear like this? And the view is still like this. Yo, this city is so beautiful, guys, and I'm gonna miss it that much. I'm really gonna miss it that much. You understand? But yeah, there's nothing that I can do. I have to go back home. I'm going home to my roots. Reggae music is all that I need. So guys, let's go. Please don't forget to check out the big vlog which is coming from Cape Town to Zimbabwe. I'm not gonna be sure though if it's gonna be from Joburg to Zimbabwe, but what I know is like there's a vlog which is coming from South Africa to Zimbabwe, and maybe a flying vlog nyana. Yo, move. I don't just need the last generation. But yeah guys, let's go and see what's popping. Let's get it. Then go. That was one with this.
Hello guys, make sure you subscribe to Praise and make sure you give him likes and that.
Yes.
Make sure you support him.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good one. So guys, atashika. Takwenda. Wanaitiri bomba now. So guys, ndakubva ku writer fuck. Is it writer fuck or writer wash? Spelling I don't think. But I guess luckily I managed to see the guy Namuona mkomano wacho, and he was saying he's a tailor. Unfortunately, I'm sorry guys, and ndakwanza kumisa pa vlog pangu because it will look as if like I'm doing this for content, but I'm not doing this for content, guys. The reason why I don't post kuti ndaende koko is because I wanted you guys to know kuti I wasn't lying, and I wanted you to know guys kuti zvinhu zvazvo ndakazowana munhu akazvitora, so that you guys you stop coming to my inbox muchiramba mundibvunza zvinhu zvisisiri available, handisina chandinacho. Room, wardrobe, uchangosara ibed. I'm sure vanhu vakawanda vari kubvunza sandapindura ronotoenda mangwana. Zvese zvawana munhu hembe ndo dzanotobva nosiya, so vamwe vacho naswera vachitora the whole day, and yeah, handisina chandinacho guys. So thank you for your love and support. Please like, comment, share, subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more content, you understand? And Right now I'm just gonna go and pack zvinhu zvangu, ndopeka zvinhu zviri murumo nezvimwe zvinoda kuraswa nchita sei ndichirasa, and I will catch you guys later on the next vlog, you understand? So please do make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, you share, and do whatever that you can do, man, to support your boy Zimbabwe. I'm coming there. Let's go, let's get it. But just kangana kudzai Tanaka is busy doing something. Unfortunately I don't want to muona ane video raari kushuta. Maybe I'm gonna see him before ndaenda, and then sisona sangana nayo Grand West huko. He was going outside with his family, and then Dexter manje kumba kwake kuni ngafamba mshana nekwandiri kuti ndinofamba ungoona munhu wanchete zvozvinenge saruza chi my friends angu. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Ndikwanze kwaona vese ka one vandakwanisa kuona ndozoti ndaenda vandokwanisa kudzoka phone zvipero zvakaita se zvakadaro chizotaura chienda mberi maizi. So yeah guys, thank you for watching the video to the end. Please make sure you do like, you share, comment, you subscribe. Kusubscribe amahara kusubscribe pachena. Yeah, ndizvo chete. Ndokudai.